Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Is your boy Sir Mike. Well, this video I'm just trying to talk about is about Facebook and what I noticed. I went to my page recently to check my analysis and my video. I noticed that I uploaded a video about 6 minutes, and I noticed that before I got to that video that was 6 minutes, I noticed that there were other short videos about that same video. The thing was now scattered, so I had to start deleting those shots. I think that 30 seconds, that I think the highest was 34 seconds. I started deleting all of them one after the other, and I noticed that after I deleted all those 30 seconds videos, I noticed that my view count dropped, my like count dropped. And then I realized that once you delete a video that already had performance, it will affect the outcome, or will I say the analysis. That now brought me the question: what if I was monetized already? Will I lose my value? And I did the research about it. Yes, if you delete a video that has views, or even a short or reel that had views, you will lose count. You lose the money that the video generated. So to avoid all those issues, please, if you're uploading a video, please remove that option they are permitting Facebook to create short reels from that your video, because it will affect your channel, it will affect your page, unless you are kind of someone that likes your page scattered. You leave it like that. You understand? So another thing I noticed about is that there are people that upload the same video in reels, in status, all this kind of the same video uploaded in different places. That the new update from Facebook is that it doesn't count again. You can only earn money from the same video. You can only earn money from one place. You cannot earn money from status. You cannot earn money unless you create a different video from different location. You don't understand? I noticed it. I was like, why is Facebook doing like this now? They are just trying to frustrate content creators. They are just trying to make things harder. So my own is that if you don't mind uploading the same video, like, if you have option, if you're uploading a video, you have option to that Facebook upload it to your status. If you don't mind, you can still do it. That means just for you to know that you're not going to make money from that side. You can only make money from the post, not from the other side. Please just be careful. For those that already have this update, continue. For those that don't have this update, just learn. Till next time, guys. Love you.